Welcome to how to create group in Telegram. So in this video we are going to show you how to make a group in Telegram. But before start of this video, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all, you will open up Telegram, and after opening up Telegram, what's you gonna have to do? You will see this pencil and paper icon at the top right. So just simply tap on it, and then here you will see three options. So at the top it's saying new group, so simply tap on new group here, and then it will ask you to basically add 2 to 3 persons in that group. So I will select this person here, and the other one that I will select is this person here. Okay, and then tap on next, and then basically it's saying that now you need to name the group. So I will just simply name this group hello, and you can basically add any profile picture to the group as well if you want. So you can basically add image, and you can also set emoji as well. So I will set this emoji, and then now this is the profile picture of our group, and then I will tap on this option at the top, and then our group will be created. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.